Have y'all ever went to get on your lawnmower? You gotta turn the key and nothing happens? Well, if you have, you're experiencing the pain that I was the other day. But that's okay, because I've now been hooked up with the Xspower XP950 to put in this bad boy, so no more starting issues. So we're gonna pop this other whatever type of battery out and put this bad boy in there and see how she turns over then. So we have the American battery now undone. See if I can slide this out of here and this spider web of wires it has. Alright, so now we have the American right here. Set the X. Oh wait, there's a definitely, I don't know what the weight difference is there, but it's pretty substantial. I could easily pick that one up with one hand, but I can't do it with this one grabbing it like that. So as usual, we have more lead in the XP950. Let's see the specs on this. Max amps 950, 50 minutes, and amp hours 35. This one doesn't even have any specs on it, so I'm not sure what it is or what it's supposed to be. But anyway, let's get this XP950 thrown in here. See if I can make this work with one hand. Come on, baby. Slide down in yonder. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Nothing like having some excess power in your ride. If you're looking for anything Xspower, be sure to look at downforsoundshop.com, because I carry all of their products there. So anyway, we'll undo this bad boy here. I always undo or put the wrong ones on first, because I'm dumb like that. And I always ask you guys, and you always tell me which one I'm supposed to do, but I always forget because it's so much time in between on when. This one has too many on it. Why is there 3 different washers on? I don't know. I guess the Xspower is wanting to give us as much as they can. But anyway, let me scoot this down. And I'm gonna work with this and get it arranged and then get back with you. Alright, so we got this thing situated right here. So let's tighten this bad boy down. I'm excited to be able to come out here and turn the key and not have any problems. Having Xspower batteries will definitely spoil you on having the best batteries, because you can come out to your ride. I mean, it's good to always keep them charged and maintained with their chargers and everything. My trailer's like singing a song to me. Anyway, it's always good to keep them charged and maintained and everything, but they've never let me down, so I always recommend and sell Xspower batteries. Let's see here. I'd definitely be a lot more efficient on installs if I did not record them. I mean, I already suck at them anyway because I'm not an installer, but we will get through this. Alright, got that bad boy in there. So now we just gotta flip this over here. I can't remember if that, I think that went over all of it. I can't remember exactly. Maybe it didn't. Let's put it up under the wires. Why would you want to have wires up under clamp down right. So, let's see if I can get this thing up on there. Alright, there we go, there we go. So now, slide this down in there. And start getting it tightened up. Alright, anyway, we're going to get that tightened up and show you in a second. Alright, so now we got the Xspower XP950 in there. Let's see how she turns over now with the good stuff in there. Oh yeah. Beautiful.